Hey there, Ruth Squires here. I am in Lakeside Village today. This is a really quaint and intimate 55 plus, and I'm going to give you a tour of one of the nicest listings, in my opinion, that is available on the market in this community. So here's a little look at the exterior of the home, and then I'm going to take you inside so you can see what all this house has to offer. There's lots of extras included in the purchase of this home. Right off the bat, look at that really nice front porch. You can sit and just enjoy the breezes. The front entrance has a screen, so you've got a screen for your front door, and you've got a screen all the way through to the back room as well. This is a maintenance-free villa. So the HOA fees are $355 a month, and with this house that covers all of your lawn maintenance, including your sprinklers to keep the lawn green. It also covers your roof replacement, your painting of your exterior of your home, garbage collection, Wi-Fi and internet. Pretty much covers all of the things that you need to have covered on the house. So this back room could serve very easily, if needed, as an extra guest room. This house does come furnished, so everything you see here can stay with the home. And although it's a maintenance-free villa, it has a beautiful backyard area, and that's something you don't often get with these villas. So you do have some space back here that you can work with. And if you've got a little dog, any pets, you've got a little extra room to wander around. All right, so back inside, and you see these beautiful floors. We've had some nice updates to this house. So if we take a right here, we have a linen closet to the left, and then this is the primary suite. And you're probably noticing fans and lights in all of the rooms. A nice bank of closet space there. And it's spacious. I don't know if you can tell in this video, but this is a spacious primary bedroom. Now this is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath villa. So this is the full bath, updated shower. Again, great space in the shower. We've got the nice privacy window, but it lets light in. Got a nice shower seat there. Good size vanity, and that is your ensuite. We head back this way into the main living room again, and you have a dining room as well as, you'll see in the kitchen, we do have an eat-in area. Utility closet here to my right, half bath here as well to the right, and then on the left we have this very well appointed kitchen. Some updates to the backsplash, and this is an eat-in kitchen. And look at these beautiful windows. You have so much natural light in this house. It's gorgeous. It really feels very open, very airy, very warm. Got a nice pantry space here. And then the final thing, we do have a garage. So you can keep the car parked inside. You have extra depth to the garage because you've got your laundry back there, an extra closet for storing things, and then the laundry tub as well out here in the garage. Lots of storage, even though it's a little house. And this property is priced very well. It's one of the most economical homes that you can buy in this area. So the seller is motivated. So please give us a call if you think this one might be something. We would love to tell you more about it, give you a private tour, and make this match up with you for this awesome house. My name's Ruth Squires with eXp Realty, and I am with RES Luxury Group, where we bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give my team a call at 352-794-1426, and we'll be happy to tell you more about this beautiful home. Talk soon.